So here we are at Silverwood RV Park. We're hiding in a little cafe. Today is my brother-in-law's birthday. Tomorrow is my niece's birthday. And they're celebrating their birthdays here at Silverwood and have no idea that we are here to surprise them. So we include Jason and my mom, Pat, and my dad, Richard. So, yeah.
My mom and dad.
All right, we're still waiting. It's now 11 o'clock, so the park is open. All the line has already gone through, and they're not here yet. So now we're just sitting here like a bunch of dum-dums in this cafe, and we just don't know if they're gonna show up or not. So Kim's trying to be secretive with her codes to her sister, but she's gonna let on, and it's all gonna be blown. All right, so we just found out they're not gonna be here for a bit. So now we're gonna go ahead and just go inside the park and hang out on our own until they show. Here we go! Oh. Here we go! So dark. It's so dark. Here we go. Oh man, that was awesome. Oh, they're coming.
They're buried.
Okay, so for kids. No, they're going another one. Oh, pardon me, man. Yeah, we're good. We got time. Okay, we're going. Hi guys. Hey guys. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jason and Jordan. Happy birthday to you.
All the way here?
I never would have known it, thought about that.
Oh my gosh, you have got to be kidding me.
Wow.
What?
We couldn't let your birthday.
How?
I guess not.
Whoa! Oh my God! Jeez! Why do I gotta go backwards? Why do I have to go backwards? Whoa! This is nuts! Whoa! Oh my God!
Dude, that was nuts. Oh my gosh, I felt like I was gonna die. Oh, here they come.
You're gonna regret it. Woohoo! Did you regret it?
Go, Kimmy! How was it? Hi. Hi, Kim. Hi. All right, we're heading to Riptide Racers. We're gonna race each other, and I'm gonna win. I'm predicting it right now. It's probably because I'm the fattest. The fattest person wins. Here we go. Oh, shit. Oh,
I gotta hold on. Yes. Anybody want to see the backside of water? Here you go. Maybe. Let's hope. Legs under arms. Legs under. Oh, oh, this is not weird at all, you guys.
My brother-in-law.
Yeah.
Weird at all.
Be sure to grip both blue handles at all times. When you see it at all times, when you get to the bottom, make it quickly. Go!
Bye! Oh man, here we go.
Oh, shit. I've never been in this.
Here we go. Oh, we're gonna fall off. Oh my god! Oh, dude, we flipped out. We got flipped out. Look at your sister, dude, or your mom. That was great. Oh my god! Hey, what's up? That was alright. That was kind of scary.
Yeah.
What kind you got?
I got mint.
Mint chocolate chip is the best, dude.
Okay.
How do you like it? Yeah.
I love it.
So good, huh? What'd you get?
Cookie dough. Yummy.
What is it that you're eating?
Dippin' Dots.
It's like an ice cream. Explain what it is.
It's like little frozen ice balls. I don't know. We were talking about.
Did you just say ice balls?
Yeah. We don't know how they're made. And then little frozen,
I think it's nitrogen.
there's been little frozen chunks of cookie dough.
Did you say chunks? We're being robbed on the train right now, but the money that we're giving away is to charity, so I guess it's a good robbery. Jordan, what did you think about that?
It's so awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It was cool, except for the water. I'm wet now.
Did you think it was awesome?
Yeah, it was really.
I'm Mr. Napkin Head.
Miss Cole.
I'm Mr. Napkin Head. I'm Mr. Napkin Head. I'm Mr. Napkin Head. Do you like that?
Say goodbye to Auntie Kimmy.
You guys have fun.
Bye. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like and subscribe button. I'll also put a link here to the video where we surprised my brother when he came back from deployment. That was the first big surprise. And as always, until next time, safe travels.